Hi there, welcome to Dervit Builds. In this video I'll be 3D printing and assembling a stand for the LEGO Star Wars Onyx Cinder which I reviewed recently. I bought the model for this on Printables and then printed it on my Bamboo Labs P1S. I'll link to the model below. It's worth checking out because there's quite a few other stands for LEGO sets that you might be interested in. Some of these are listed on Etsy, but the prices for the UK were over £800, so I assume they don't actually want to sell any. In addition to the print of the stand, you'll also need some extras, including some Lego bricks, screws, magnets, and a bit of glue. I found everything I needed for this on eBay. First off, there's part 3001. You need 2 of those, they're the 2x4 brick. And then you need 5 of parts 3023, which are flat 1x2 plates. You'll also need some screws. There's 2 3x12mm screws and 1 3.5x16mm screw, all countersunk. Finally, you'll need 2 5x3mm magnets. In this case, I've got several more, but it's a real pain if you separate them. Depending on the fit, you may also need some glue to hold these in place. So here's everything set up to go. Some glue, of course. I'm going to start basically putting this in place. That's the front there, so this just kind of snaps in nice and snug. Next up, I'm going to do the magnets. So one goes in here and one goes in here, and it's basically just for alignment purposes, really. Key here is actually getting the magnets the right way round. What you don't want to do is have them repelling. That bottom one I'm going to put in there. Top one is going to go in there. It feels quite snug, but I'm going to put some glue in anyway. Now keeping them together means that you're less likely to accidentally turn one round, which will end up with repelling each other. This one is protruding a bit, so I'm just going to tap it down. That'll do. There you go, you see. It's quite a satisfying snap. The lid's back on the glue, done with that. Okay, next up, I'm going to attach the stand to the base. Turn that over. There's in there, and this is where the first screw comes in, which is the long one. 3.5x16. I'm just going to screw that in. Like that. Don't over tighten because PLA is or can be brittle, so you don't want to accidentally rip it open and therefore lose any strength. Next up, we'll attach the part that's actually going to end up in contact with the model. So it's here. This is where the 2 shorter screws are used. Oh, I wish I had a magnetic screwdriver now. Oh well. And I do. Could just go get it, but I'm not going to. Line them up before putting them all the way in. go. And these attach here. That's neat how it's been built just to slot in. And that's what will attach to the Onyx Cinder. Bit of pressure needed, because obviously you want them to line up, because they need to both attach. There we go. Oops. Now the plates need to be put into these 5 slots here, because this is what the crew are going to stand on. What I've found is it's difficult lining them up one by one, so the easiest way, attach your little dude, or dudette in this case. There you go. Oops. So these hairs fallen out. So that's the stand built and ready. The easiest way to attach this to the Onyx Cinder itself is to take it off the stand and then position it pretty much in the centre of mass. Pressure. That'll do. Now that's ready to go on the stand. There you have it, one Onyx Cinder on display stand. Really quite impressed. If you found this video helpful, click like and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, bye bye.